Small gym, big results. When I started SixPax Gym, I didn't have a goal of building an empire. I just wanted to survive. I just got out of prison, maximum security prison, not because I was a criminal, because I came to this country the wrong way. I was a refugee running away from pain. After a year when the judge granted me asylum, now I was homeless on the streets. I found a security job. I started working as a graveyard shift from 11 at night till 7 a.m. I would come home, sleep, eat, and I would go to the gym. The place that I can escape from all the pain. After working hard at the security job, I lost my job. I remember unemployment money sent me $3,000 back pay. They sent me, and I opened an envelope and I said, man, I've never seen that much money in my hand, $3,000. I gotta do something with it. I went on Craigslist. I was scrolling up and down. And I saw a place for 1,900 bucks. I went and looked at the place. There was a window in the front, cracked. There were just gray walls and a concrete floor. That's it. The guy told me I wanted 1,900 bucks. I shook his hand. I gave him 1,900 bucks. He told me, what about deposit? I said, give me a month, brother. Now I had no money for equipment. So what am I gonna do? Minimal equipment. I just needed a couple of dumbbells. I had it up to 30 pounds. I had a bar, couple of plates, 45s, a 35, a 25, and a 10 pound. That's it. And an adjustable bench that goes up and down. I can do incline bench, I can do flat bench, I can do all kind of exercises. And that's how I started. Most trainers think when they want to open a gym, they think of a big place. They think of LA Fitness, Gold Gym. This is a big mistake. Imagine getting a big loan and opening that place. Now you realize this overhead, the pressure and noise will crush you. If you can get someone in shape with minimal equipment, all the big machines, all the fancy equipment won't save you. I didn't run ads, I talked to people. I went and introduced myself to the neighbors, to all the businesses around me. I shook hands with the biggest smile on my face. Hey, I'm Sivash, I just opened a gym down the street. Come on down, try a free session. I'll be more than happy to help you. You see, did they show up? No, most of them didn't. But they start getting familiar with me. I start eating at a restaurant down the street. I start going to the shops around me. They start getting familiar with me. They start knowing my name. I start shaking anyone's hand. Anybody was 3 feet away from me, that was my rule. I had to introduce myself, and I was telling them, hey, I'm Sivash. I have a gym down the street called SixPax Gym. Come on down. Come try a free session. You see, I was inviting people. Word is spread. I didn't have a big launch. I didn't go have a scissor and cut a ribbon and tell people, okay, this is a big launch, come on, SixPax Gym opening up. No, I just went for it. Yes, there was days that, man, the doubt would creep in. Am I doing the right thing? Maybe I should go work at night, do the security at night, keep this open. There was so many voices in my head, but I had to believe in myself. I had to bet on myself. I got this. I have to push through this. I can't have a plan B, because if you have a plan B, you get deviated. There's only one plan. This is it. I'm not going back to security. I love this business. I love being at the gym, and I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna figure out how am I gonna run this business, keeping the door open. SixPax Gym didn't explode overnight. It stacked up. 1 client, then 3, then 5. They were telling about SixPax Gym to their family. A lot of them were losing weight, and they were going back to their friends and family, and people saying, whoa, what happened to you? How did you lose this much weight? SixPax Gym down the street. You pay me and I get you in shape. Man, people always get excited when you're passionate. People start paying you. That's how I started, one by one. SixPax Gym wasn't about the equipment. SixPax Gym was about helping people, changing their lives, changing their habit. Purpose of this video is to knock out that belief system from you that you need a big gym, you need a lot of money, you need a lot of fancy equipment to start a gym. No, you don't. I wrote everything in my book, Small Gym, Big Result. My story and how I built SixPax Gym, the method, the whole 9 yards of it from the beginning to the end. And it's free. You can get it. You see the name of the book, Small Gym, Big Result. You can get it from my website, SmallGymBigResults.com. It's free. Go grab one, read it. This will knock out a lot of objections, a lot of questions that you have in your head. This will answer it. I didn't have money. I didn't have investors. I didn't have fancy equipment. I had discipline and passion and belief. If I could start with $3,000, you don't need $300,000. Small gym, big results.